I'm Phineas.
And I'm Enzo.
Today we're going to teach you about the scientific method.
The scientific method is the best way to conduct an experiment.
There are 6 steps in the scientific method. The first step in the scientific method is to begin with a question.
I wonder which kind of paper is more absorbent, the paper towel or the piece of binder paper?
The second step of the scientific method is to make a hypothesis.
I think the paper towel is more absorbent because that's where they sell them. What do you think the outcome of your experiment will be?
The third step of the scientific method is to conduct your experiment.
Make sure to conduct your experiment multiple times because the first one could be a fluke and you won't even notice. I have 2 droplets of water and what I'm going to put on top of it is binder paper and a paper towel. I set a timer for 1 minute. Now let's see what happened.
Record your results and analyze your data.
Ask yourself, are you happy with your results? I don't know if you can see, but the side with the paper towel was much more absorbent. The 5th step is to write your conclusion. There are 3 things you need to make a good conclusion.
The first thing you put in a conclusion is whether your hypothesis was right or wrong.
Step number 2 for a good conclusion is put data from your experiment into your conclusion. So I measured both of the wet spots and we can see that the paper towel had a smaller wet spot than the binder paper.
The first step is to write what you learned from your experiment in your conclusion.
I learned from my experiment that paper towel is more absorbent than binder paper. So I guess my hypothesis was right. I learned from this experiment that never clean up any liquid with binder paper. The 6th step is to share your findings to
the world!
Thanks for watching!